Well, this is me leaving Cocklebiddy. Next stop, Eucla Caravan Park, where I'll be camping for the night. So I'll be a bit of an adventure. Up to now, I think it's only like 200 and what is it? Roughly 272 k's to go. Up here's another day's riding ahead of me. Happy days. Not as warm today. Like it's only 18 at the minute, but let's see. Up to now, there doesn't seem to be a crosswind the way it was yesterday. Yesterday was a wee bit rough. I tell you what, and it does reflect on the fuel economy. What I do notice, any of these little towns you go into, or hotels, motels, everybody's just so friendly and just want to talk to you and see what you're up to, and vice versa. So it's going to be a bit of a change for me tonight. I've been sleeping in motels and cabins, so tonight I'm actually in a sleeping in my tent. Yeah, I just couldn't afford cabins every night of the week. It's too expensive. Not sure why there's any wild camels here, but I would like to see one. Be good, as long as I'm not hitting it. The old biker salute. It's the same all over the world. No matter where I've been, France, England, Ireland, most bikers will give you a nod or raise their fingers in a good way. Yeah, but it's amazing talking to a couple of these guys. Cocklebiddy, they're doing like 15,000 kilometers in 10 as if it's nothing, and they're towing a caravan behind them. It's fantastic. Such a big area, Australia. Yeah, it's only 17 degrees at the minute, so I think it's meant to be 21 today. 22. Yeah, it makes a big difference not having that crosswind. MA. I think that's Mandurah, I think. Yeah, mate, stop there. Anyhow. Okay, it's the camera back on again. Yeah, didn't miss a lot. So I think we're 20 kilometers outside Mandurah. Don't know anything about the place, so I'll find out in a minute. Well, about 10 minutes. Started to get a little bit warmer. It's is it 19 degrees now, and it's 9:52 a.m. I'm actually on a different time zone to Perth. I think there's 45 minutes of a difference, which is a bit unusual because it's usually like an hour. But tomorrow when I go to Ceduna, it's a different time zone again.
She comes from, she's got the girl like me. Say now, hey little girl, what can I say? Hey little girl, now when you're looking at me. Hey little girl, what can I say? Well I'm attracted to you. For attraction, baby, that's what you got. Attraction, baby, you got the lie. Long blonde hair and a skin so fair. Well I'm in love. Well, I'm floating on it because I'm attracted to you. Well, you open my blind just a little bit more. Can you, my girl, go into my front door? True, I didn't have to pretend. If only were true. Well, I'm in love with you because well, I'm attracted to you. Well, she's drifting out of sight and I don't know what to do. Don't realize that I've been looking at you. Few minutes you will be gone without knowing that I'm attracted to you. Attraction, baby, that's what you got. Attraction, baby, well, you got the lie. Long blonde hair and a skin so fair. Well, I'm in love. Well, I'm floating on it because well, I'm attracted to you.
Mandurah 10 Ks. I'm seeing a few dead kangaroos at the side of the road, but to be honest, I thought I would see a lot more. Wow, definitely a change of scenery here. Wow, how cool is that? That is amazing. Might have to take a photograph of that. Wow, what a view. Just stopped at the side of the road here in Mandurah. Just seen this view and went, wow, I've got to stop and take a look at this. You think it was in Africa or something? Wow, happy days. Here's a view from the caravan park in Eucla. Wow, so vast. I'm glad at the minute there's no wind, because I'm camping up above here, and it was windy earlier on, so hopefully the wind will stay off. Bit of a difference from when I first arrived here this afternoon. Yes, packed, so no way I was lucky to get a space. Just went to the camp kitchen. Unfortunately, I don't have a kettle. I was going to have a coffee, and unfortunately, the only cup I've got is stainless steel, so I can't put it in the microwave. Well, shite happens. Just I have to have a few beers later.